Hello, my name is Joel Gusby, and today I'm going to be doing a slime. Basically, I'm just going to be making slime. So, what I'm going to be using is contact lens solution or multi-purpose solution, and I have a lot in there. Shaving cream, it doesn't matter what kind, I just got this because this is the cheapest. Baking soda. And I'm using 2 little bottles of Elmer's Clear Glue, wow, school glue, and gold medal red food coloring. And I might add different things to it. And if I do, I will do an update. And that's what I'm gonna add all of it. Okay, and I have this bowl. So you'll be able to see it, but you won't be able to see my face, but that's okay. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to back this up so that you can actually see a little bit more. Okay, so you're going to take the glue and you're going to take it and you're just going to pour it in there. Scoot it up a little bit, scoot it back. And you want to add one thing at a time because you don't want to add too much stuff. And also you want to make sure all of this stuff right here on the side, it's glue, of course. I don't know why I call it stuff, but you're going to want to make sure that you get off of the sides while you're making the slime, because if you don't, like, your slime isn't going to be like very good, but like. And what I'm going to do is, since I think I got out all of the glue, that's never what happens. You always think that you're done and then you just throw away the bottle when there's like a whole bunch more that's in that bottle. So what I'm gonna be doing is taking it, I'm gonna take it, put the cap back on, and I'm going to take it and set it like this against something. And it'll get all that glue down there. And so by the time I've done everything else and not adding the activator, I'm going to take this back and I'm going to take this and squirt the rest of it in here. Yeah. Okay. So set that right there. Okay, now this second one. This has more in it. I feel it. Well, they filled it up to the top. Whoa. What is that? I had some stuff in my slime. I don't know what that is. Looks nasty. Okay. Make sure that I get all of it covered up. I feel like this isn't going to turn out very well because, like, sometimes when I make slime, it's not always the best. And sometimes when you're making slime with, like, different activators, it comes out different. Like, I know borax comes out way different for me, and then multi-purpose solution, contact lens solution, and baking soda comes out a little bit weirder for me also. And also Tide comes out a little bit weird. Okay, so we got all of it in the bowl. Now what you're gonna do is either you can add your food coloring right now or you can add it later, and I'm gonna add it right now. I don't know if I'm gonna add all of it. I'm just gonna add a little bit and see how I like it. Whoa. You know, I'm just gonna add all of it. I want it to be red, so obviously I want it to be red. Okay. So it's all in. I'm gonna go get a spoon. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Whoa, that is really red. Whoa, that is really, really red. It's gonna turn out like blood red, I think. No. It might not, and it might. My mom was talking to me, sorry. This is like so pretty. Sure that I get all of that off the sides, or at least a little bit of it. And it's coming out really pretty. I like it. It's like a fruit punchy color. I'll show you in a second. Pixar. This video is going to be a little long because, like I said earlier in another video, I don't have an editing app, so it's going to be a little bit different. And also that whole bunch of noise in the background, that's my washing machine because we're doing laundry. Okay, I think that's pretty good. That's mixed in right now. Take that and put that right there. So next, what I'm going to be adding is the shaving cream. And I'm going to add a lot because I love fluffy slime. I think that's all I'm going to add, and then I'm just going to mix it. Whoa. And also, if you are making a slime with shaving cream, it is automatically going to make your slime a lot bigger. And this is going to take a minute to stir in, so hold on. Whoa, that is like really fluffy. I think I added a little bit too much. Oh my goodness, this hurts my arms. And it's a really pretty pink pastel color. I like the way this color turned out. I thought it was gonna be like blood red, and then I had shaving cream, and it's a pretty pastel. Let's finish stirring. Okay. I think I stirred it good enough. No, I didn't. Never mind. Okay. This really hurts your arms. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. Okay. That was a bad idea. Too early in the process to be putting my hands in. So I'm gonna go and get a paper towel. I'm gonna add some glitter. I'll be back. That was a smart idea. I'll be right back. I'm also gonna put in some warm vanilla sugar perfume to make it smell good. Huh? No. Well, that's strong. Okay. I'm gonna go get some lotion. Add a glitter in. Well, there's a bubble. Whoa. I'll be right back. Some lotion. Doesn't matter how much you use, just as long as you don't put in too much. This is just for stretchiness. I'm gonna add the rest of the glue. Okay, that's it. Ooh. I'll get that in a second. You guys, I think it's time to activate it. Okay. So. This is gonna have a lot of activator in it. Whoa. It's already forming. Bad idea. That was a really good idea. Ooh. Yeah. Added too much shaving cream. We're almost done. I don't know what to call this. So, give me names down below. And this is all for this video. I will be doing a slime review on this one and on my other one. They look similar because they kind of are. But yeah, that is it for this video. If you liked it, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so if I ever make a new video, you can watch it. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I had a lot of fun making this slime, and I will be doing other slime videos, so just stay tuned on my YouTube channel. And make sure to subscribe if you do, and you put Oh, and you put notifications squad and different things like that down below. Tell me that you subbed, you turn on post notifications, and I will shout you. You will get a shout out in my next video. So that's it for this one. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye bye.